Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage hauls, vintage tutorials. That is the niche on this channel, so please hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you Vixens can get more updates when I upload more videos. Now this little mini haul is by Temu. Once again, they were so nice and graciously gifted me all these items to show you Vixen. So, you know, I have a little lingerie pieces, a little bit of purses, shoes, a little outfit. It's a little mini haul. It's plus size friendly, so hopefully you Vixens can see something you guys may like in this haul. Let me know if there's other things you guys want to see on this channel. I'm asking for suggestions, so let me know about that. And yeah, they were so nicely and kindly enough to gift these to me. All of their information will be in the description box below. They have a big sale going on and a lot of great deals going on, Vixen. So if you guys would check out Temu and just check them out, I will greatly appreciate it. And use my link so you guys can get some money off, because you guys know I love a good deal. I love hooking my Vixens up with deals. So, you know, just check that out when you guys get a chance. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, Vixens, now first is these blue shorts. They're very stretchy. I really love these shorts. They are like yoga shorts and I really love them. They're really cute. This is the side and this is the back. And that's how they look, Vixens. So, you know, if you're into shorts like these, you know, just to lounge around or sleep, and I highly recommend these. These are a size medium, so they're super stretchy, and I really like these, and I like the color as well. So this is something that I do recommend, and I advise you guys to have just to lounge. Alright, Vixens, the next shorts outfit I'm showing you is these pink yoga shorts. They're just like the blue ones, but pink. Once again, they are very stretchy, very comfortable, and I highly recommend these. This is how the front looks. Side, back. So that's how they look. I really like these, and they're very comfortable, and they're just nice to lounge around in. So if you are interested in these yoga shorts, then click on the link in my description box below and cop you a pair. Alright, Vixens, the next outfit is this lingerie piece. It's a little camise. It is satin, lavender satin with lace, white lace detail. I really like this little camise. This is how it looks more up close. It has like a little bow in the middle of it. It's satin. It does have a very luxurious, nice, comfortable feel to it. I feel very comfortable in this. I'm not going to show y'all the back because it's too short and I don't need YouTube trying to take this video down. So I'm not showing that, but that's how it looks. It's very comfortable, and it's just something you can chill in at home with your man or whatever, or your lady friend if that's how you get down. But I like this dress. It's very pretty, and it's just a nice comfortable camise to wear lounging at home, and I like it. So it comes in small, large, small, medium, large, extra large. So it does have a nice little stretch to it. And it's very lightweight, so it's not heavy feeling or anything, but I do like this camise and I highly recommend this. Alright, Vixens, now this camise is very revealing. It is a powder blue satin with a lace floral print. Well, not print, but it's like decal. I think it's decal or something like that. But it's like a lace floral fabric at the edges and at the front. It's very revealing, so I'm not even going to attempt to show y'all how it looks from the back or the side. It's just, it cuts like this and it cuts back like that. So it's not that plus size friendly. So this is a plus size haul. So this is not plus size friendly at all. The cups don't really fit my bra that well. This is how it looks up close. So as you guys can see, that it doesn't really fit, but it has like a little lace floral decor right here in the front, and the straps is easy to adjust. They're very like you know, like, you know, thin and stretchy, and they're easy to adjust, but it's still not plus size friendly, so I wouldn't really recommend this at all. I thought it would fit me and it looked cute on the model, so I was like, let me try it. But this is something I will literally just wear in the house only. And probably wear something under this or just like this when I'm just by myself in the house. But this is very, very, very revealing, and this is how it looks, Vixen. So if you want to get this one, go at your own risk. I don't really recommend this, but go at your own risk. All right, Vixens, now this satin gown is literally my favorite piece out this whole mini haul. It's pink satin. It comes all the way over my knees, so it's not revealing at all. And it has nice little straps right here that you can adjust. I like mine's kind of form-fitting, so that's why I adjust them. It has lace detail right here. And this is the side. This is the back. And that's how that looks. And this is a closer view of how the cups look. This is a very comfortable set, so I do highly recommend this one. And it does stretch, so you have a lot of give for us plus size ladies. So you guys will enjoy this set, and I think you guys will like this. So yes, I highly recommend it, and I really think you guys should get this piece. This is like one of my favorite pieces. All right, Vixens, next now we're getting into clothes. This is just a regular black jumpsuit. It's long sleeve, very extremely comfortable. I think this is made of cotton or flannel, I think. So I don't know. I do know it's very comfortable. The only thing I didn't like is that when I tried it on, when I first got it, it has like a hole to the side right here, but that's not nothing I can't fix. I can just sew that. But it has a scoop neck, and it's very comfortable. I like it. You know, if you just want like a quick outfit just to put on, and it's plus size friendly. It has a lot of give, a lot of stretch, very comfortable. If you just want to wear this, you know, when you're out and about and you don't want to feel like getting dressed up, I highly recommend set pieces and one pieces, because you can get put together like that and look cute and feel comfortable, you know, and you don't want to you know, mess up your comfort just to be looking cute. Nobody got time for that. So I do recommend this jumpsuit. This is the side. This is the back. Yeah, and that's how it looks. I do recommend it, and I highly think everyone should have set pieces and jumpsuits in their wardrobe. Now, Vixens, to get into accessories, I'm going to show you this purse. This is how the purse looks in the front. It's a cute little cream colored leather purse, guys. It smells like a new car. I really like this purse. It has like this little chain. This is how it looks in the inside. I like short strap purses like this. I don't care for long strap purses, so you guys will never see me in a long strap purse, but you guys will see me always carry my purse like this. So I like it. It has black lining detail. That's another reason. And it looks very professional and put together, and that's what I like. And it has that classic look. So that's why I picked this. It does have a leather, a metal handle and metal chain, and with the leather on top of it, so it's very sturdy. And you can tell this is not a cheap purse. It's not cheaply made. It's well made, and I like it. And it's called Fashion and Bag, so it's a really cute purse and just something to wear when you want to be in a quick hurry, put together look. So I like this purse. Alright, Vixens, and the next purse I have is this white purse right here. It's very fuzzy, and it has like that fur feel to it, so it feels like fur, and it has like a little scrunchy leather handle, and it has like this little tag. It's called "You Deserve Better," so I like that. It's like reminding yourself you deserve better. But this is how the purse looks. and it has like little gold details, so that's another thing. I kept the bag in there just to keep its shape because I didn't want it to mess its shape up. But it's a cute little purse, and it's just something, you know, just a cute little purse, especially like for the winter and the fall. I don't know why this looks like a Christmas bag to me. Like, this can be a cute little Christmas bag, but it's so cute, and I love this purse, guys. You guys should not sleep on this one. Alright, Vixens, now the last accessory purse is this gold rhinestone purse right here. These is not rhinestones. This is rhinestones up here, but it's not here. It's like this metallic, like glittery. It looks like rhinestone fabric and around the purse, but it's just like a regular snap purse, and this is how it looks inside. And it just snaps in the front, and it has like the rhinestone detail. That's what I loved about this purse, and I had to get it because I love glittery purses. So I do recommend this one as well if you just want something to just jazz up and make something pop in your outfits. So this is a good purse to have, and that's one of the cute little accessories that I recommend. Last but not least is these heels, guys. Now these heels, oh man, I love these heels. They're so cute, but they are hard to walk in. So if y'all decide to get these, be careful. I practice walking in them in my house, but I don't know how it's gonna be when I go outside with these, but these are so cute. There's some black mules, and I wanted to get them because I like the heel shape of these, but the arch is super high. I wear a size 7, so I have small feet. The arch is super high, and it's hard to walk. And you ladies know the higher the arch, the harder it is to walk in heels. So if you don't want high heel and a high arch, don't get these. If you do, just for like a cute little photo op, or if you can work these and walk the runway in these, go right ahead with these. But these are kind of hard to walk in, so just be careful with these. But these are really cute, and they're all black. I just needed a black pair of heels, you know, just to pull everything together. But I like these, and I highly recommend. And that's how they look. They don't have a name to them, but I'm gonna link these in the description box below. This is the back, and this is the sides. So yeah, I advise you guys to get these heels. Alright, Vixens, last but not least, and I'm gonna show this because I can't fit this set. They sent me the wrong size. I was really irritable about that, but they sent me the wrong size. This is a size small, never been tried and worn. I'm most likely gonna sell these on my Poshmark, so you guys will, whoever shops my Poshmark will be able to snag these. But this is how they look. They're small, and they are the same like set as the pink and blue shorts I showed you guys, and it comes like with the little bralette. So this is a size small. I can't fit this. It's too tight on me. I only tried the bra. I didn't try the shorts. Not gonna attempt that. But yeah, these are brand new, and I will be listing these on my Poshmark because I cannot fit these. But that's the only bummer because I really wanted a lavender set. So probably next piece I get, I'm gonna get me a lavender set. So this is how that looks, and if you guys want these will be posted on my Poshmark. Alright, Vixens, so that is it. This is the whole video. I hope you Vixens was able to find something you guys liked. Just a little bit of pieces here and there. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what y'all like and your favorite pieces out this little mini haul. And I will be coming back with another new haul really soon. I'm working on that as we speak. So let me know, guys, what y'all think about this haul. And yeah, thank you so much, Vixens, for watching my video. I love you, babies, and I will see you dolls again soon. Bye, loves.